The ongoing conflict in the state has posed challenges for the shopkeepers of Paona market. Reportedly, the ongoing turmoil has resulted in a significant decline in sales, making it to struggle for them to pay their rental shop. Subsequently, the shopkeepers urge the property owners to consider reducing their rental fees so as to ease their financial strain. SKTV brings you an exclusive report.
The persistent conflict since May 3rd last year has taken a heavy toll on Paona market's shopkeepers. Facing days with no sales, they are increasingly concerned about their livelihoods. Consequently, they are appealing to shop owners to lower monthly rents, seeking relief from their financial burden.
Hꯧji sei amma muksida lerak poche asuki mati khenare houji ti nong hek an badagina ayuki pung tari te phamjabuduna numida oiram pung taruk phaw phammi maduda numida oiram da khulang hang kaw vakyarak yawi dubu sukau kau dana yum han basu yawi asuki mati khenare houji poche ase masina maram oiraga khoina haijening badi Paona bazar asida plot owners mayam da yaragadi bhara se khara khara yengbina ba lan asina chenthungi pim asina hek phalakti phawdi lebak sigi machigumba nuaitaba akoina awaba se khangbiraga Paona bazar gi plot owners mayam da amuka naijari madudi kitang bhara se yengbina ba
ji Paona bazar ji matam amaki Paona bazar do natre value di adum wankalakpa pot chit pagi changdi walakpa aduna maram oira kanda dukan phami ji fere fere haire aduna value budi wangamba yai adubu dukan phami ba mahajun sing na ju sigi awaba sing je kudong cha to mayam ji yengbira kanda ekigi lauriba ekigi dukan gi baraji asuki matik wange deposit wange aduna relax kitang tawbiragadi ekoi mayam je pulap hingminba yagani aduna ikut nolaga haijare gi dukan owner singna baraji kitang handana lawbiragadi ekoi mayam je pulap hingminba yagani dukan mapu ju hingani dukandar ju hingani.
Just as the state's economy was beginning to recover from the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic, the current conflict has further worsened the situation. Despite these challenges, shopkeepers have still managed to contribute towards public causes.
Dukan ji da phammaga numit taba ngai rakana pulanga kauduna khangi bisu mayam ma yaure factor di mayam ma lei war gi su leire aduga corona gi su leire na suki matik dukan phammi ba koi gi Paona bazar se karwar tori ba karwar wala sing hai tare ko aso budaki ni macha boksi haini ngai leitana hojik pibam so e tok taba ya daba tawda ya daba gi khang da ya daba gi khang bai do hingna ba gi khang da ya daba gi khang ba upai leitaba gi khang bai pibam do pura yaure hojik.
Shopkeepers have no choice but to ask the shop owners to reduce the fees. This situation reflects how the current conflict impacted every sector of the society. Peace is the only solution for all these inconveniences, but the question remains, how can we achieve peace in this state? This is Keithel reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.